You have your PlayStation 5 controller. You know what you're missing? Well, what you're missing is a charging station for the PS5. Let me show you this right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab. And yes, this charger station is a little different than the rest because this one also comes with power supply. So you can put this anywhere and charge it. And this time we're not going to use in the USB-C type to charge your controller. Check this out. All right, so PlayStation 5 controller and the charging back station. It's nice because it will indicate with lights. It's a little different than the other ones I have seen before. And check this out. Okay, everything out of there. So questions there, happy car, and the instructions. Now we have here the charging station, the transformer, 110 240. You can put this anywhere. We plug it in, and what is nice now, type C, 5 volts. Take that out, and it looks real nice, right? We can see here 1 and 2 controller. But this time we're gonna use it. There is 2 ways to charge the controller. We can use a type C controller. We can, there is a, you have to kind of figure out how to plug it in, or right here, right? Well, we're gonna be charging this. So simple, you just slide this out, connect it, and it's done. Now we can see right there, if we keep it there, red, you see there, requires charge. So you have 2 controllers. It looks real nice. You have a nice queue where you can see when it's charging, with right over there. Another one is light up. Now it looks real nice. Over here in the studio we have a lot of light. It looks real nice. It looks elegant. It shows you 1 and 2 the controller. So it looks nice. You keep this organized. You don't need to guess anything. Just right there, and then plug it in, and it's done. That's it. It's the only thing you have to do. So I think it looks real nice. And there is a way to keep your controllers always organized, and we can charge 2 controllers here when you're ready to play your game. Take the controllers down. When you finish, put your controller back over there. Simple as that. All right, guys, so how you get one of these nice charging stations for your PS5 controller? How? Well, check the link below. See you next time. Bye.